Whoa, that was so cool.
This reminds me, I've always wondered how pools keep their shape.
Well, that's a very good question. Why don't we ask the What's So Cool About Manufacturing board?
I'm Deborah Haas, and I'm the president here at Cardinal Systems. Cardinal Systems is a steel manufacturer that supplies the swimming pool industry. So we create customized swimming pool walls for homeowners.
So we sell through a distribution network who in turn then sells to an installer or dealer who then in turn sells to a homeowner. So essentially we are thrice removed from the final person where our product is going.
The smaller ones will take anywhere between 2-3 hours. When it comes to like the bigger projects, for somebody who's a little more experienced, those will even take up to 9, maybe even 10 hours to complete.
Well, we produce all the new designs for the company. So we don't necessarily improve upon existing products, but we bring new products to life.
Okay. As of right now, I'm the supervisor for the steps and small parts area. And before that, I assembled special steps to make sure that they were right before they go out the door.
We want people who are motivated, who are team players, who are dependable, have a great work ethic and a good attitude, and just want to come to work and show up every day and get the job done. There are some positions that do require a college education or some type of secondary degree. And then we also do have positions here that are entry level that you can come in with no experience whatsoever and have on-the-job training.
That was amazing. I never knew how much work and careers there were in manufacturing.
I wonder if there's a career for me in manufacturing.
That's what's so cool about manufacturing. There's a job for everyone.